Fourth problem, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write next 3 terms. So they have given some 13 bits here. So we have to check whether this each and every bit are satisfying the condition that A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 or not, whether they are forming an AP or not. Then we have to, if they are forming an AP, then we have to find the next 3 terms. So this is the given information given. First bit is 2, 4, 8, 16. So we have to find whether the given is an AP or not. So let us find out A2 minus A1. So what is this A1, A2, A3? So these are the terms. So what is the first term? A1 is 2, A2 is 4, A3 is 8, like that. So let us solve this. A2 minus A1. So what is A2? 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. A3 minus A2. 8 minus 4. A4 minus A3. So what is A4? 16. So 16 minus 8. So we get 8. So here D is not equal. So what is D? D is A2 minus A1, otherwise A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. But here you can see this should be equal, but it is not equal. So therefore it is not an AP. If this is not an AP, then we should not have to find this. Next, here first term is 2 and second term is 5 by 2, 3, third term is 3, next fourth term is 7 by 2. So let us find out A2 minus A1. So A2 is 5 by 2 minus 2. So 2 2s are 4. So 5 minus 4 by 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 1 by 2. Next is A3 minus A2. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 5. 1 by 2. A4 minus A3. A4 is 7 by 2. 2 3s are here it is D is equal in each of them. So here we can say D is equal. Therefore D is equal. Therefore it forms an AP. So it forms an AP. When it is forming an AP, we can find out the next terms, next 3 terms. So next 3 terms, how we are going to find? We know the fourth term, that is 7 by 2. So we can write 7 by 2 plus D. D is 1 by 2. So we get the LCM 2. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 2 1s are 2 4s are. So the next term is 4. Next is 4 plus 1 by 2. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 8 plus 1 by 2. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 by 2. Next is 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 2 will be the LCM. 9 plus 1 is 10. 2 1s are 2 5s are is equals to 5. Next, we will find out the D, A2 minus A1 in this. So what is A2? A2 is minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2. So we will get minus 3.2 minus into minus plus 1.2. So 0.2 if we subtract, we get 0.0, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So we get minus 2. Next, A3 minus A2. So A3 is minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2. Minus 5.2 minus into minus plus 3.2. So 0.2 will be subtracted. So it will be 0 minus 5. If we subtract 3 from minus 5, we get minus 2. Next is minus 7.2 minus of minus 5.2. So we get minus 7.2 minus into minus plus 5.2. So 0.2 minus 0.2, it will be 0. If we subtract 5 from minus 7, we get minus 2. So here D is equal. So we can write, since D is equal, therefore it forms an AP. Next, if it is forming an AP, we have to find the next 3 terms. So what will be the next 3 terms? The fourth term is minus 7.2. Minus 7.2 plus minus 2. So we get minus 7.2 minus 2. So if it will be added to this, so it will be minus 9.2. Next term will be minus 9.2 plus into minus 2. So minus 9.2 minus 2. So if we add this, we get minus 11.2. Next will be minus 11.2 plus minus 2. So is equals to minus 11.2 minus 2. So we have to add. So minus 13.2.